Okay, let's jump right into it. But before we do, you guys know what I need you to do for me. I need you to like this video, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff because I make videos like this all the time. And yes, I mean all the time. All right, man. I think I just lost my breath, but it's okay. All right, so picking this thing up was heavy. It was a beast. Getting it here and all of that stuff, unpacking it. It came on a mini pallet, as I should say. And we here, man. We got the Roland BN20A. We're about to unbox, see what's in the box. This is gonna kind of just be an unpacking of it, and then we'll come back later on and do the how-to. We got some consumables back here, so let's get our box cutter. Let's get right to it. This. There we go. There we go. All right, good to go there. Woo, looking beautiful right here, man. This thing is looking really nice. All right, y'all know how I feel about instructions. We don't need that. That's trash. They got a lot of stuff in here that I don't need. Trash. More trash. This thing right here looks so clean and beautiful. Y'all keep playing with me. I'm gonna have to put this thing to use right here. I'm telling y'all that right now. So, a couple of different pieces in here. One day, this might be the machine where I might just have to use the actual instructions. We got a lot of just little pieces that, little cutting blades in there, some little wipes. Knock that off to the side. All right, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this one by myself, but we gonna try. Y'all know, you know, I got a cameraman now, but I still like to be independent. So I'm gonna see what. Let me just gauge this thing. I don't even know if I can. Oh yeah, I think I can get it. So we gonna take it and we gonna swing it right there. All right. If anything should happen to me, blame the cameraman for not helping me. All right, let's see. I think I still got it, guys. Still got it. Nice and smooth and easy. All right, so we get to go ahead and unwrap this, and then we're gonna get to talk about it. Ooh, I think that's a perfect fit. All right, so let's sit that on here. I think that's a perfect fit. Okay, so I caught my breath, man. I had to, you know, moving this thing around a little heavy, right? So I got a stand for it. I just popped it up here on the universal cart that you guys can check out down in the description below. This is from HPN, man. But nonetheless, we have our Roland BN20A. Behind me, I have a bunch of different medias we're gonna take a look at now. Here, let me grab my box cutter. All right, this one here is holographic. This is a 15-inch roll of holographic from Roland, the Roland media. Let's take a look. I'm looking forward to this. Some marathon stickers gonna look dope on this here holographic material. Pop it out of the plastic. That looks really nice. Y'all know what I do with the boxes. That's out of here. And up next, we have our 20-inch premium soft eco solvent white. I believe this one is here. Just pop that open. So we got our white here. All right, here we have our transfer mask. When you're printing your shirt vinyl or your eco-solvent vinyl for t-shirts, when you print it, you're gonna have to actually mask it, and then you'll be able to tear the mask to separate it from the back, and then you can press it to the shirt. So it's kind of printed, unlike what we used to where you just print it inverse, you're gonna print it the way you see it, mask it, and then press it to the shirt. So that's what that's for. So here we have our satin poly heat transfer material. Same thing, this one is here for t-shirts as well. And then last but not least, what's in this one here? All right. Last but not least, we have glossy calendar vinyl roll media. Some decal vinyl here. So we got a few different medias to play with. Next box, we have our ink. So as you guys know, I said a little bit earlier, we have our ink. We only have our 4 colors, our magenta, our yellow, our cyan, and our black here that we will have ready to actually get ready and print. So with that being said, the last thing I gotta do is unbox and open up this stand. Unfortunately, guys, in the last video when I was unboxing this beauty, I lost some audio, so that actually makes this video a little bit better for you guys. So you got to see the unboxing clips. Now I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of a review on how I feel about the machine after using it. So before I get into that, I wanna talk to you guys about the difference between the Roland BN20 and the Roland BN20A. And it's simply an extra cartridge, right? Which is the white / metallic, whatever you wanna set it up for. So you can't print white in an actual design. It's gonna actually take that out and it's gonna show whatever the material color is. So in the case of printing these stickers, I have a white border around these. It actually ends up being the material, which is the metallic. So the checker flag and all of that kind of stuff is not printed on here. You don't get to print the white. Now, what that allows you to do is not only save a little bit of money, but also in the midst of saving some money, you actually got a little bit less when it comes to maintenance, because we all know in this industry, white ink is the problem ink when it comes to any type of printing, whether that's with the Roland BN20 or some other printer that you may want. So that actually allows you to save some money and a little bit less headaches and troubles. Now, I installed this printer. Let me say, it wasn't hard. I didn't know if I was quite on the right direction. It kept timing out. I don't know if it's computer software. I think the software looking in the computer is a little bit older looking, but it wasn't anything to tell me if I was going in the right direction. It seemed as if the printer kept timing out. I just wanted somebody to be there to say, hey, you know what? You're doing the right thing. You just got to wait it out. Because at one point it just said, wait. I'm like, well, how long am I supposed to be waiting? So installing the printer is super easy, a little bit time consuming. It took me about a day to kind of figure it out. It's like a day and a half. And I'm going to say a day in total because I was kind of like not focused fully the first day. And then I got it done like maybe half the second day. So the installing this whole thing, really, really simple. Learning how to create cut files. I'm kind of pretty efficient in Illustrator, so that made it pretty easy for me to actually get the cut files ready to go and everything like that. Outside of that, I wish that this was not PC only. You know, the Roland BT12, which is the craft DTG machine that I have over there, is actually Mac based as well. I wish this was Mac based, but a lot of this industry doesn't work on Mac and PC. It's just the way that it goes. So I had to get this PC. I dug it up and I was actually happy that it worked. But now that I've actually used this printer, I love it. I know a lot of people say that is slow and all of that kind of stuff. But if I look at what I'm doing in the context of what this printer is used for, I think it's the perfect printer for somebody starting out of their home, not a lot of volume, want to figure out the business. You can spend, you know, what, 5-6 grand on a Roland BN20 or BN20A rather, and you can start a business that is very, very profitable with this machine. Yes, does it has limitations as far as speed? Undoubtedly, but I can set 200 stickers and I can go like I've done and went to Jada's basketball game to watch her cheer, or I could be printing shirts while this is running. It's kind of like a set it and forget it, which makes me love it. I printed numerous stickers. A lot of people, I printed a bunch of you guys who may be watching this. I printed just stickers. You can see the marathon right here, the Decorated by Nature. I ran through that first roll of media. I got some new media here, different prints and different things like that. And as you can see on my shirt right here, this Marathon Supply logo printed on this Made Blank sweatshirt is actually printed on this Roland BN20. Now, pre-DTF, I would have loved to have had this machine for full color printing just because there wasn't anything else available outside of Nina inkjet paper, but printing on vinyl is a lot better. Now, I am pleased with this. I probably will be using it to print some vinyl, but mainly what I want to do is build a sticker business around this and slowly upgrade to one of the bigger printers that are a lot faster. And this is something that you guys will be able to do. So if you guys want to learn more about this, make sure you guys follow me on Decorator by Nature, which is where I talk about the business and do the business behind building a screen print shop and now sticker startup. So I'm going to have screen print startup, sticker startup. We're going to see what else we get into over there. Make sure you go ahead to the YouTube and on Instagram and follow Decorator by Nature. If you guys have any comments, questions, or concerns, put them down in the comments below. Let me know what you guys think about the Roland BN20. And with that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This has been your boy Stan Banks from T-Shirts Side Hustle. Peace.
The T-Shirt Side Hustle team would like to give a huge shout out to its contributing members.